Hello, my name is Oscar Asuncion with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video describes how to use the Communication Server 1000 Output SSD Debug tool to provide return address stack and call register information for a particular SSD message to a particular terminal number. The Output SSD Debug tool is new and it is included in the CS1000 Release 7.5 Problem Determination Tool Security Shell. This tool should be used to troubleshoot issues when you suspect a phone's key is lit or activated and it is not supposed to be, or when you suspect a phone's key is not lit and it is supposed to be. For example, a phone can be designated as an on-site notification phone so that if someone calls an emergency number like 911, then the phone's OSN key would be lit. This tool would be used to troubleshoot an issue where the OSN key is lit but the call detail recording does not show a 911 call. The tool would provide return address stack and call register information for a particular SSD message to a particular TN. This information, along with your troubleshooting analysis, will help Avaya services troubleshoot your issue. Now, to use the tool, you must first log into the call server with admin permissions. Then access the Problem Determination Tool Security Shell, also known as the PDT shell, by pressing and holding the control key while entering PDT. Then, enter the proper login permissions to log into the PDT shell. To enable the tool for a particular SSD message for a particular TN, enter ossdDbg space set space a number from 1 to 6 representing the number of TNs. In our example, we have 1, space then the packed TN, space then the SSD message. To show the status of the tool, enter ossdDbg space status. And for help information, enter ossdDbg space help. Please note that the TN is a hexadecimal representation of its loop, shelf, card, and unit format. This is usually called the packed TN. In our example, our TN is 004, 0, 03, 00, where the loop is 4, the shelf is 0, the card is 3, and the unit is 0. Using the Network and Peripheral Equipment Diagnostic Program Load32, convert the TN into its packed representation by entering CONV space then the TN. This packed TN is what we used in our Output SSD Debug tool. Now, the SSD messages are normally formatted as follows, where OSSD 1111 and ISSD 8888 are the headers. The TN is the packed TN. The message is the SSD message content, and the time is the real-time clock before output, when the work scheduler gets the input message. So, in our Output SSD Debug tool example, we have used the following as our SSD message. The output of this tool is in the Info 900 message, and it is displayed on the call servers TTYs designated as maintenance terminals. Please also note that if the history file is configured for maintenance, you can retrieve the output in the Print Routine 3 program Load22 by printing the All History file or the Previous History file. Now, back to the PDT shell. To turn off the tool, enter ossdDbg space reset. Again, the tool will provide return address stack and call register information for a particular SSD message to a particular TN. Please provide this information along with your troubleshooting analysis to Avaya services to continue troubleshooting your issue. For more information about the Output SSD Debug tool, please refer to the Avaya Troubleshooting Guide for Distributors. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.